Hello, everyone.
Hello, friends.
Welcome to RK English Studio.
We are very happy you are here today.
My name is Trevor.
And my name is Tracey.
Thank you for joining us.
Today, we have a very useful lesson.
Yes, a lesson that can change the way you learn English.
Today, we are talking about thinking in English naturally.
Many English learners want to speak English fluently.
But they often have one problem.
They translate everything.
Exactly.
Someone asks a simple question.
And the learner starts translating every word.
That takes time.
And it makes speaking difficult.
So today, we will learn how to stop translating.
And how to start thinking in English.
Step by step.
In a simple way.
Tracy, do you think beginners can think in English?
Absolutely.
Even if they know only a few words?
Yes.
Really?
Of course.
Tell us how.
Let's start with something very easy.
Okay.
Look around your room.
I'm looking.
What do you see?
I see a desk.
Good.
I see a chair.
Very good.
I see a computer.
Excellent.
That's easy.
Exactly.
No translation needed.
Just English.
Desk.
Chair.
Computer.
Window.
Door.
Book.
Phone.
You are already thinking in English.
Wow.
Many learners think thinking in English is difficult.
But it starts with small words.
Exactly.
Then what comes next?
Simple sentences.
Can you give an example?
Sure.
I'm listening.
Look at your phone.
Okay.
Now think.
This is my phone.
Very good.
The phone is black.
Excellent.
The phone is on the table. Perfect. These are very simple sentences.
And that's the secret.
Really? Yes. Many learners try to make difficult sentences.
Too difficult.
Then they get stuck.
Exactly.
So simple English is better?
Much better.
Let's practice.
Great idea.
I see a cup.
The cup is blue.
The cup is on my desk.
I use this cup every day.
That was easy.
Very easy.
Friends, try it with us.
Look around your room.
Find one object.
Maybe a chair.
Maybe a book.
Maybe a computer.
Now, make a simple sentence.
The book is new.
The chair is comfortable.
The computer is fast. Great job. You are practicing English right now. And you are thinking in English. Exactly.
Tracy, when should learners practice this?
Every day.
How long?
Just 5 minutes.
That's easy.
Only 5 minutes?
Very easy.
Can we practice while walking?
Of course.
Can we practice on the bus?
Absolutely.
Can we practice while drinking coffee?
Yes.
Let's try.
Okay.
I am drinking coffee.
The coffee is hot.
It smells good.
I like coffee.
Those sentences are simple.
Simple is powerful.
I like that.
Me too.
Let's talk about another example.
Great.
Imagine you are walking outside.
What can you think?
The weather is nice.
The sky is blue.
There are many cars.
I am going to work.
I am going to school.
I am walking slowly.
Very natural English.
And no translation.
That's important.
Very important.
Friends, remember this.
You do not need perfect English.
You do not need difficult words.
You only need simple English.
Simple English every day.
Day after day.
Little by little.
Your brain starts changing.
Your brain starts using English,
Naturally.
and speaking becomes easier.
Much easier.
That's wonderful.
It really is.
Let's repeat today's key phrase.
Think in English.
Think in English.
Think in English.
Not translate.
Think in English.
Simple words.
Simple sentences.
Every day.
Every day.
Great job, everyone.
Start with simple
Keep
words.
practicing.
Then make simple sentences.
Exactly. Now, let's go one step further.
Let's learn how to describe our daily activities in English.
This is one of the best ways to train your brain.
And it is very easy.
Tracy, what did you do this morning?
Good question.
Try to answer in simple English.
Okay. I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Good.
I brushed my teeth.
Nice.
I made breakfast.
Very good.
Then I drank coffee.
Simple and natural.
Exactly.
Notice something, everyone.
What?
Tracy used easy English.
That's right.
No difficult words.
No complicated grammar.
Just simple English.
And that's how you start thinking in English.
Let's do another example.
Okay,
I wake up at 6:30.
good.
I take a shower.
Nice.
I get dressed.
Very good.
Then I go to work.
Perfect.
Friends, can you describe your morning?
Try it now.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Just think.
Maybe
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast.
I drink tea.
I go to school.
Excellent practice.
Tracy, many learners ask me something.
What do they ask?
They say, Trevor, my mind becomes empty. Have you heard that before?
Many times.
What should they do?
Look around.
Look around?
Yes,
Interesting.
everything around you can become English practice.
Can you show us?
Of course.
Let's imagine I am sitting in a room.
Okay,
What can I think about?
you can think, the room is quiet. The light is bright. The chair is comfortable. The window is open.
Those are easy sentences.
Exactly.
And useful too.
Very useful.
Let's practice with food. Great idea. I know everyone likes food.
Especially me. I was waiting for food examples.
Okay.
Let's imagine there is a pizza.
My favorite topic.
Mind you,
What can you think?
the pizza smells amazing.
Nice.
I am hungry.
Very natural.
I want another slice.
That's exactly what I would say.
Now, let's talk about shopping.
Another useful topic.
Imagine you are in a store.
You see a shirt?
What can you think?
I like this shirt.
Good.
The shirt is blue.
Nice.
It looks comfortable.
Very good.
It is expensive.
That happens sometimes.
Yes, it does. Let's learn another trick.
A very useful trick. Ask yourself questions in English.
This is powerful.
Very powerful. For example, what am I doing?
Good question.
Then answer, I am studying English.
Excellent.
Where am I?
Good.
I am at home.
Simple.
What do I want to eat?
Pizza. Always pizza.
You really like pizza.
Maybe a little too much.
Friends, let's practice together.
Listen carefully.
Question number 1.
What are you doing right now?
Think about your answer.
Maybe. I am listening to a podcast.
Very good. Question number 2.
Where are you right now?
Maybe. I am at home.
Or I am at work.
Excellent. Question number 3.
How do you feel today?
Maybe. I feel happy.
I feel tired.
I feel excited.
Wonderful.
You see? Thinking in English is not magic.
No,
It is a habit.
a daily habit.
The more you do it, the easier it becomes.
The easier it becomes,
The more confident you feel.
and the more confident you feel?
The more English you speak.
Exactly.
Keep practicing.
I have another question.
Sure, Trevor.
What should learners do when they don't know a word in English?
That's a great question.
Many people stop speaking immediately.
Yes.
They think, oh no, I don't know this word.
And then they become nervous.
Exactly.
But there is a simple solution.
Really?
Yes,
What is it?
use easy English.
Can you give an example?
Of course.
Let's hear it.
Imagine you don't know the word refrigerator.
Okay.
Instead of stopping, you can say, the place where I keep cold food.
That's smart.
Very smart.
And people will understand.
Exactly.
So communication is more important than perfect vocabulary.
Absolutely.
I like that advice.
Me too.
Let's practice.
Great.
Imagine I don't know the word umbrella.
What can you say?
Maybe it helps me when it rains.
Perfect.
Or I use it on rainy days.
Excellent.
That feels much easier.
Because it is easier.
Friends, remember this.
Don't stop speaking.
Use the English you already know.
Simple English is powerful.
Very powerful.
Now let's try another activity.
Sounds good.
Imagine you are sitting in a coffee shop.
I like coffee shops.
Me too.
What can we think about?
Let's look around.
Good. Okay.
Someone is drinking coffee.
Nice.
A man is reading a book.
Very good.
The coffee smells wonderful.
I can almost smell it now. Me too.
You see, we are creating English thoughts.
Without translating.
Exactly.
Let's try another place.
Okay,
A supermarket.
perfect.
What can I think?
I need some milk.
Good.
I need some bread.
Nice.
These apples look fresh.
Very natural.
That fruit is expensive. Sometimes it is.
That's true.
The important thing is this.
What?
Talk to yourself in English.
Inside your mind?
Yes,
Every day.
every day,
Even for a few minutes.
especially for a few minutes,
That sounds easy.
because it is easy.
Many learners think English practice needs books all the time.
Books are helpful,
Of course.
but your daily life is also a classroom.
I love that.
Your kitchen is a classroom.
Your bedroom is a classroom.
Your office is a classroom.
Your car is a classroom.
Anywhere can become English practice.
That's a great way to think about it.
Exactly.
Let's repeat some useful thinking phrases.
Good idea.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
I need some water.
I need some water.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Excellent.
Very good practice.
The more you think in English,
The easier speaking becomes.
and that's exactly what we want.
To speak English naturally.
One small step every day.
And one day, you will be surprised.
Why?
Because you will start thinking in English automatically.
That's an amazing feeling. Do you remember when you first started learning a new language?
Yes, I do.
Was it easy?
Not at all.
Really?
Really.
What was the hardest part?
Thinking too much.
I think many learners do that.
Exactly.
They want perfect English.
But perfect English is not the goal.
What is the goal?
Communication.
That's a very important word.
Yes.
Communication means sharing your ideas,
Sharing your thoughts
sharing your feelings.
and connecting with people.
You don't need perfect English to do that.
Not at all.
Let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
You meet an English speaker,
Maybe at a cafe.
maybe at work.
Maybe while traveling.
The person says, "Hello, how are you?"
A very common question.
Many learners become nervous,
Yes.
but the answer can be simple.
Very simple.
I am good,
Or, I am fine.
or I am doing well.
That's enough.
You don't need a long speech.
Exactly.
Simple English works.
Simple English works very well.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Great idea.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
What are you doing today?
I am studying English.
That's wonderful. very easy.
and very natural.
Friends, English does not have to be complicated.
No,
Many learners think they need difficult vocabulary.
daily English is often simple.
Very simple.
Talk about food,
Their family,
their work,
their work, their hobbies, their plans. Simple topics. Simple conversations. Let's talk about hobbies. What is your favorite hobby? Nice. Very good. What about you? I enjoy walking. That's healthy. And I enjoy learning new things.
Friends, think about your hobby right now.
Can you describe it in English?
Use simple sentences.
For example, I like football.
I like cooking.
I like reading.
I like movies.
Simple and clear.
Now, let's talk about a daily habit.
A very important habit.
Thinking in English for 5 minutes every day.
Just 5 minutes.
That's all.
5 minutes today,
5 minutes tomorrow.
5 minutes next week.
And slowly, your brain changes.
Your brain becomes comfortable with English,
English starts to feel natural.
and that's when real progress happens.
Exactly.
Let's repeat some positive sentences together.
Great idea.
I can learn English.
I can learn English.
I can think in English.
I can think in English.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I improve every day.
I improve every day.
Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
I am becoming more confident.
I am becoming more confident.
Excellent.
Very nice.
Before we finish, let's remember today's lesson.
Start with simple words.
Then make simple sentences.
Describe the world around you.
Talk to yourself in English.
Don't translate every word.
Think directly in English.
Practice every day.
Even a few minutes helps.
Most importantly,
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
mistakes are part of learning.
Every English speaker made mistakes.
That's true.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing in yourself.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We really enjoyed learning with you.
And we hope this lesson helps you think in English naturally.
Tell us in the comments.
What do you think about in English every day?
We would love to hear your answers.
My name is Trevor.
And my name is Tracey.
Thank you for listening.
Take care and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, friends.
Thank you for watching.